It was humiliating. Canadian women open up about perimenopause symptoms no one talks about. Yahoo Canada style. I thought I was coming down with some bizarre disease. I felt absolutely ashamed, one woman said. Below are your comments. Thank you. One of the best articles I've read on perimenopause. And thank you for noting the difference. It is so true that a one size does not fit all for treating symptoms, and one must work with one's doctor for what is best for oneself. What my mother went through is not the same as what I love that this article is pointing to the lack of knowledge and recognition in the medical community. As every other article tells you to see a doctor, don't just suffer through. Then you go see a doctor and list all the symptoms you have, and they just say it's part of life and do nothing to. I'm 49 and firmly in the grip of peri. My period is thankfully just getting shorter and lighter each month, but in turn, I'm losing myself. I have the most overwhelming sense of rage come over me for no reason. I don't recognize myself some days. It's a lot. I never got that perimenopause was the worst part, at least for me and many others. It took 5 years of severe headaches and crazy periods until the real menopause, the cessation of periods, finally eased the symptoms. I was lucky, never had the need for medications. Hormone therapy has helped. Hope this helps someone. Once you figure out you're in peri, find a good acupuncturist who works with women's health. It can be life-changing, especially with all the weird skin sensitivities and especially for the migraines. Yoga will definitely help with joint pain and muscle tension. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.